Now the problem is called check nums. Have the function check nums. It is going to take two parameters, number 1 and number 2, and return the string true if num2 is greater than num1. Otherwise, return the string false. If the parameter values are equal to each other, then return the string -1. So we are going to take two numbers, number 1 and number 2, and if the number 2 is greater than the number 1, then we're going to return true. If the number 1 and number 2 are equal, then we are going to return -1. Otherwise, the default case is going to be false. So it's very simple. Now we are going to solve it by going to check if number 2 is greater than number 1, and then we are going to return false. We are going to return true here. Else if number 1 equals to number 2, then we are going to return -1. Otherwise, I'm going to return false. So 8 equal to 8, it is going to return us -2. Now if I take 122, then it is going to return me true. Now if I take 122 and the second number is going to be, let's just say 8, now it should return me false. So this solution works. Now let's make it a bit concise. We can do another thing. We can just return if number 2 equal 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 number 1, then return -1. Otherwise, check if number 2 is greater than number 1. If it is true, then it is going to return me. If it is true, then it is going to give me true. Otherwise, if it is false, it is going to give me false. Now let's say the condition 8, 8, it should return me -1, -1. 122, it should return me false. And if I take 122 and paste it here, it should return me true. Now let's submit it. Great.